Hi, this is the Focus Spender, and welcome to my channel where I teach you how to get out of debt, save more money, and invest so that you can build wealth and leave a lasting legacy. Speaking of building wealth, today I'm going to be showing you how I've been doing in my M1 Finance account. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I have been investing with M1 Finance since about 2018. And I've started out with a small amount of money, relatively small amount of money, and I've invested every single week like clockwork into two small accounts. One, I was putting in $25, and the other, I've been putting in $30. So it's not a lot of money that I'm putting out. It's not breaking the bank, but that money has really, really grown. And I think since the last time I've done an update, maybe about 2 years ago, my account has pretty much doubled in value. So let's go and see how I am doing. Okay, so here we are in my M1 Finance account. And as you can see, my account is valued over $20,000, which is phenomenal because it wasn't that high, not even that long ago. If you look at my little chart here, you can see that I started investing in M1 in 2018. I put in $500. And then in 2020, I added another $1,000 and started a secondary account. And the account has been growing really, really nicely. I've been putting in $25 and $30 every single week into both of my accounts. So I'm not doing some crazy investment. So let's go over to this invest section so you can see what I'm actually doing. So let's look at the first portfolio. And as you can see, my portfolio looks like a little pie. So when you're investing in M1, they let you pick a number of stocks and it puts it into a pie and you determine the weight of each slice of your pie. These are the slices in my pie, from Netflix to Pfizer to Nike to Costco to Pepsi in this pie. And if we click on gain return, you can see which are my heavy hitters. For this pie, Apple, Netflix, and Microsoft have been my top performing stocks. I've earned $523 with Apple, $1,000 with Netflix, and $622 with Microsoft. So this is basically how much my account value has grown. It won't be real money until I decide to sell these stocks, but if I sold these stocks, this is exactly how much I would be making. So I've done really, really well. If we scroll down, there's a couple of stocks that did not perform as well. And so at one point, everybody kept talking about cannabis. So I decided to invest in the Canopy Growth Company, and that stock has not done well at all, but I'm not going to sell it. I'm just going to leave it. I'm not putting any more money into it. It just grows. The number of shares of stocks that I have is just it. I'm not adding any more money to that account. Now, if we go over here back to the left and we go to my other individual account, you can see that this account has 12 different stocks, so 12 slices, and this account has done really, really well. If we click on the gain return, you can see the stocks that have done the best. So Meta, which is Facebook, ExxonMobil, IBM has done really well. I'm really impressed, honestly, by Meta. The stock has increased in value by 334%. And so my gain is $1,700, over $1,700, which I can't ask for anything more when I'm putting in so little every single week. And then in terms of the stocks that have not been doing as well, those are the Container Store, Pet Meds, Peloton, and Chewy. And Peloton, it's a little frustrating because I am definitely a Peloton girly. I try to use the app, a few times a week, get on the bike once every couple weeks. So I really do like Peloton, and I want the companies to do better, but it is what it is. I'm not going to sell the stocks. I do put in a little bit of money, so it's only 2% of my pie. So not much money gets invested on a weekly basis, but some money does touch this account. So this is how my portfolio is doing. Overall, I'm very happy with how it's doing. Without putting a lot of effort, I am making, a nice return on my investment. If you want to see exactly what's in my pie, I'm going to leave links in the description box below with my two portfolios so you can get a snapshot of what I am investing in. And if you want to invest yourself using M1 Finance, I'll also leave that link in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions, and if not, I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.